Ang sarap nito. Rich, flavorful, gingery soup from the Visayas. Ito, ang tawag nito, pakdol. Magluluto tayo ng masarap na sabaw, bulalo, pero Visayan style. Ang tawag dito, pakdol. Ito, meron akong shank at tuhod ng baka. Pinakuluan ko lang siya ng mga 10 minutes para banlawan and papalambutin na natin siya. So, hinuhugasan natin to. Just blanch our bones so that magiging clear yung ating soup. Yan. Then, para maging clear yung ating soup, bagong batch ng water. Ito yung version ng nilaga or balalo ng Leyte at Samar. At it's just a very simple, clear soup. Yan. At papalambutin natin to using our pressure cooker para mas mabilis siya. Pero if you have time, mas masarap siya slow cook sa uling. And I will add slices of onions. Napakasimple lang. So alam niyo naman, pag ganitong klaseng ulam, kahit sobrang simple ng preparation, it's really perfect for feeding a lot of people. And what makes it different from the usual natin dito sa Manila na bulalo, ito, very strong gingery aroma. Mag-a-add tayo ng slices of ginger. Minsan naman kasi, hindi naman slice. Dati ginagano, pinipit-pit lang siya. Oh. Lalo na pag native yung ginger, mas maanghang kasi yung native na ginger. Lagyan natin dyan. And we will also add peppercorns, whole peppercorns. Then, we will season with salt. So, just enough salt. No? Later natin tatapusin yung pagtimpla nito. Now, we will cover our pressure cooker and let it cook until it becomes tender. Siguro mga 30 to 45 minutes ito. Kahit saan ka sa mundo, a boiled pot of meat and bones is very classic, di ba? Pero sa inyo, ano yung tawag niyo sa mga ganitong nilagang mga ulam? Sa Cebu, ang tawag namin ng ganyan, pochero. Ibang lugar, nilaga. Ibang lugar, bulalo. Visayas, pakdol. Sa Tausug, ang tawag na parang tiula itum, pero meron siyang burnt coconut. And if you still haven't subscribed, while waiting for our meat to become tender, it's your time to subscribe to the Simple.ph YouTube channel. Click, 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 so you get notified for our new recipes. Lagyan natin ng saging, corn, and let's turn off our heat and release the air pressure from our pressure cooker. Yan, no? At sa mataong hindi pa nakabili na aking bagong libro, Pinas Simple. Grab a copy, 790 pesos. Only available online. You can click the link below to get a copy of Pinas Simple. Ready to open our pressure cooker. Ingat-ingat lang, mabango na siya. Tingnan natin kung malambot na ba. Ay, medyo malambot na. Pero, this is not fully cooked yet, no? So, nandyan ating sabaw. And lalagyan na natin yung ating other ingredients. Mais. Yan. Saging. No? And we will let this continue to boil. So, ito, magdadagdag to ng flavor at aroma sa ating sabaw na pakdol. First time ko magluto nitong pakdol. Natikman ko to sa Tacloban. So, we will let that simmer. Hindi na natin siya pa-pressure cooker. Tuloy-tuloy yung boiling nito. And titimplahan natin ng konting patis or salt. Salt or patis. Pour it there. At magpapasarap sa ating simpleng sabaw, ang Maggi Magic Sarap. Let that simmer for a few minutes hanggang maluto yung ating corn and banana. Now, let's add our other vegetables. I have leeks, cabbage, and petchay. Baguio beans, cabbage, petchay. Ito talaga, more vegetables mas healthy, mas delicious. And lastly, dagdag natin ating leeks para mabango ang ating pakdol. Pag maluto yung ating vegetables, it's ready to serve. Perfect na yung ating vegetables. Luto, but not overcooked. Yan. Load up on your vegetables. Sabaw natin. And soup for me. Yan. Perfect. Masarap yung ulam today. Kanin at sausawan. Pwedeng-pwede na to. Napakasarap pag magsalo-salo. Mainit na sabaw. Malamig na panahon. Kasama yung buong pamilya. Eto, try this recipe. Very simple to do. Hearty and delicious. Pakdol. Simple! It's finally here, my newest book, Pinas Simple. This book is so special to me because it celebrates my 10 years as an author. Beyond recipes, this book tells stories of Filipinos through our cuisine. This book, Pinas Simple, The Love and Lore of Filipino Cooking, is an anthology of essays and dishes that bring our culture one bite at a time. Grab your copies now. It's finally here, my newest book, Pinas Simple. This book is so special to me because it celebrates my 10 years as an author. Beyond recipes, this book tells stories of Filipinos through our cuisine.
Simple.ph. Living made simple.